All right, so here we go. We're going to read the question for solving ratio problems. In a survey, 4 out of 5 people preferred creamy over chunky peanut butter. There are 120 people shopping at the store. Use the survey to predict how many people in the store would prefer creamy peanut butter. So here we have people preferring creamy peanut butter compared to chunky peanut butter. So we're going to identify creamy. It says in a survey, 4 out of 5 people preferred creamy. So this is actually a little misleading. So we're going to do creamy to total because we actually don't need to know how many people are choosing crunchy peanut butter because we're being asked about who prefers creamy. And the information that they give us is 4 out of 5 people. So that means if I lined up 5 people, here they are, that 4 of them would prefer creamy, and this guy right here, this one right here in red, that guy would prefer crunchy. So we're going to go with this. So we're going to continue on. In a survey, 4 out of 5 people preferred creamy over chunky. That means that 4 out of every 5 people preferred creamy peanut butter. And then the next piece of information that they give us is that there are 120 people shopping in the store. So we need to decide, is this 120 people? Is that people who are choosing creamy peanut butter, or are those the total number of people in the store? So it definitely is the total number of people in the store. And what we're looking for is how many people prefer creamy peanut butter. So we need to determine, is there a direct path that we can use to turn a 5 into a 120? Well, a couple of things that I know that 5 times 20 is 100, and I know that 5 times 4 is 20. So I suspect that 5 times 24, using my calculator just to double check, is 120, and that is correct. So 5 times 24 is 120. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to do that same thing to the 4. We're going to multiply that by 24. And when you do that, that keeps the relationship proportional. And so that I do 4 times 24 and I get 96. So 96 people out of 120 people would prefer creamy peanut butter over crunchy peanut butter. All right, hope that one made sense. So this is a part to total ratio, part to whole. All right. This is example number 2.